Can you see my screen? Okay, so let's
Yes.
move on to class. So last class we discussed about what is Terraform and right, some of basics. So what are the Terraform commands, and so mainly how to set up Terraform. The installation and all very simple only. Just download and set the path in environment variable. Set the path in environment variable. So Terraform is a infrastructure as a code tool. IOC simply we are calling. So infrastructure as a code tool. Infrastructure as a code tool, and this is also open source. Right? This is also open source, and no need to pay, no need to buy anything. And just this is the exe file. Download that zip file and set and all. And mostly on Terraform, mostly we are using. So these are the commands. Terraform init command, it will download that related plugin and all, related provider plugin. And so Terraform validate, if you want to validate your script and all, validate command. And Terraform, if you want to see the plan, what is the plan and all, plan. And finally Terraform apply command. So if you don't want infrastructure, if you want to delete manually we are doing, right? If you want to delete any AWS resource, how we are deleting manually? I don't want delete manually, and whatever infrastructure we created, so that case, but don't use this one and all. In real time mostly we won't use this, we won't this command, but practice purpose, so we can check it. So practice purpose, we can check it. So mostly we are using, so these are the commands. And so once that is done, if you want to check Terraform is running or not, just go to anywhere Terraform hyphen so version. So these are the version. So now you can see. So what is the latest version? So currently 1 point, last class we see, right, 1.9. So this is the latest version. So if anyone using, so which Terraform version and all, if they are asking which version currently you are using, means don't tell latest, just using Terraform older one, 1.6 or 1.7, like that. Don't tell latest version. Latest means that is released only 1 or 2 months before only. Terraform versions. Okay, so if you use, so this is the currently 1.9 is the latest version. So don't use this one. And so just we need to say, if anyone asking, just give the older version only, just give the older version list only. Okay, and so today we'll see, so how to create, so how to check, go to anywhere, go to somewhere, just once installation is done, just checking only. Okay, once go to somewhere, anywhere, that is your wish. Go to somewhere or wherever you want. So go to particular drive, or just create one folder. Just create one folder. And so this is the, what is this? Jolie, right? Terraform. Just I am giving a folder. So my scripts and all I am going to execute here only. I am going to execute here only. So now click on here. Just go to particular path, and now see here Terraform, how to check version hyphen version. So now see here, currently I am using, so 1.6.6. So the latest version is 1.9. So if you want to, we can add this one, that is your wish. So whatever you want, we can use it. Okay, now if you go here, first come to our AWS. Now AWS means, so AWS console, click on sign in. Now come to here. Now how to create, so infrastructure here, right? So how to create infrastructure here? So as of now, manually how to create, 1, 2, 3. So as of now, right? What is it? Second, I forgot password. One is joining. One second, I forget password. Which account I logged in? 73 only, right?
Who's you are trying to you are going to log in? Markonda Reddy garu.
ఇది సార్
I
ఇచ్చినాడు.
I that that
పాస్వర్డ్
is
చేంజ్ చేశారా?
లేదు లేదు అదే
రమ్య
లాస్ట్‌లో
ఉందా?
35
వెయిట్ వెయిట్
35 లాస్ట్‌లో.
ఇది 6 ఓన్లీ.
లేదు లేదు 35 నా దగ్గర ఉంది కదా అదే.
35
నేను చూ అవును
ఉందా?
లాస్ట్‌లో.
వెయిట్ రమ్య ఉందా?
రమ్య అకౌంట్ పని చేయలేదు అది. నైట్ నేను క్రియేట్ చేయించాను ఇది.
అవునా? సో
ఆ!
వాట్సాప్లో పెడతారా?
మీకు పెడుతున్నాను.
రమ్య ఈ అకౌంట్ వర్క్ కాదా? నేను వర్క్ అయింది కదా ఇది.
వర్క్ అవును సార్. నైట్ నుంచి వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు. అది సార్ కూడా అకౌంట్
ఓకే
తీసుకున్నారు.
ఓకే ఓకే. సో చేంజ్ అయిందా?
శ్రీనాథ్ సార్ తీసుకున్నారు.
మ్మ్. సరే వాట్సాప్లో పెట్టండి.
పెట్టా చూడండి ఫైల్ అది పెట్టా. క్రెడెన్షియల్స్
ఫైల్స్ ఓకే సార్. అకౌంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ
2 పెట్టాను. అది మెయిన్ రూట్ అకౌంట్ కాకుండా ఇంకోటి క్రియేట్ చేసేయమన్నారు. రూట్ అకౌంట్ అయితే మళ్ళా అడుగుతా ఉంటుందని అడ్మిన్ అకౌంటే క్రియేట్ చేశాను.
నేమ్ డి క్యాపిటల్ లెటరా?
యూజర్ నేమ్ మామూలే దానికేం ఇదేం పెట్టలేదు.
అకౌంట్ ఐడి
ఓన్లీ
ఓకే 73335253787835. Okay, so now this is my account, right? So this is our AWS account, and right now in just live on to AP Mumbai South. Okay, now here mostly right. So here we need to understand there is a two tags, two proper here. One is provider, and one is resource. First you need to understand. So provider means right, last class we discussed. So AWS is the one provider, and GCP also one provider, and Microsoft Azure, these are the providers, right? Microsoft Azure, so these are the provider, and IBM cloud also, IBM cloud also one provider. So these are the providers. Alibaba, this provider means so which cloud you want to connect. So which cloud? For example, here I written some script. How I know my script? Which cloud I need to connect? తెలియదు కదా. So for example, here I written some script. For example, here I written for AMI equal to, I given some name, AMI ID and all. If I run the script, which cloud you want to create infrastructure? Don't know, right? ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ తెలుస్తుందా? No. So just we written some script, but in the script we need to use which cloud you want to connect and what is the username password. Got it? ఇప్పుడు నేను లాగిన్ అయినాను. How I connect this account? With the help of account ID, with the help of username, with the help of password only I connected, right? అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear? So now I am going to write one Terraform script. So if I write Terraform script, directly it is connected to my cloud. Hello?
Okay.
test.tf file. For example, here I written something. Here I written so resource, just I given some name, and also I given some name. This is my script, just assume. If I run this script, how the script know where we want to create, which cloud you want to connect, and which account you want to connect, and which resource, right? First you need to mention that credentials. So if you want to mention here, mostly we are using also there is a right, so resource and providers. There is a resource and providers. There is two tags available, resource and providers. Now see here, this is the provisioning, and one is wait, provider, PRO. First we need to understand provider. So provider in Terraform. So this is the one. First we need to add provider. Terraform replace and plugins called providers. Providers means which cloud you want to connect. Provider is nothing but that is a cloud name. We are going to mention cloud name. See, each provider has its own documentation and describe. This is I am using AWS provider, right? For AWS people, they are providing one documentation, how to execute, how it will work and all. For example, if you want to connect, so GCP people, they are providing one documentation. Now see here, if you go here, if you go here, and so we need to add some credentials also, provider requirement, so documents how to declare provider so Terraform can install them. Now provider configuration, how to configure settings for provider. So these are the thing. If you click on this provider configuration, so this is the provider. Now see here, provider and provider name, provider name, and so here we are going to give our so each user we have some secret key, access key, right? For example, this is I am login to DevOps user. I log into DevOps user. So this is the username, right? So username, so DevOps. For this DevOps, right? You have access key and you have secret key. Got it? You have access key and you have secret key. Even if you don't have, you can create. So how to create a access key and secret key? If you go to account, if you go to settings, see here, security credentials, and so here we can so create user and you can download. So here click on users, and you don't have access, you don't have permissions. I am user attach cheyaledu దీనికి. Okay, so we don't have permission. Let's come to here, WhatsApp. Already send WhatsApp, right? Now I'm going to download that credentials. That credentials. నేను ఫుల్ పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వలేదా యూజర్కి శ్రీనాథ్ గారు?
ఇచ్చానండి. అడ్మిన్ యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చాను.
IAM యాక్సెస్ లేదు దీనికి. Now see
ఒక్క
here,
నిమిషం.
we don't have IAM access. Okay, anyway, first I will try. We'll see. Later we can add it. Now just wait. Link device. Okay, now I'm going to so download, already you shared, right? Just I'm going to download my your credentials, your username, password. Okay, see now just download. Now see here, if you go this document, and so here a user, if you open this, here we can see username and password, and also username, password, and also we can see here, where is this one, right? 75. So this is the username, password, everything we have. Now if you go one more, where is that access key and secret key? Where is access key and secret key? Access key, secret key, శ్రీనాథ్ అది పంపించారా? ఓన్లీ ఇది క్రెడెన్షియల్ పంపించారు.
ఇది ఒకటే క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ ఒకటే అండి.
I need access key
యాక్సెస్
and secret key.
పంపిస్తాను.
Otherwise it won't work, right? So now I'm going to write a Terraform script. So this is a resource track. I'm going to add one provider. So provider means which provider you want to connect. It will download related that plugin. So this is the tag provider and provider name. What is my provider name? Which cloud you want to connect? AWS or GCP or Azure or IBM. So this is the provider name. So AWS and so provider AWS name, and here we need to give. So we need to mostly we are passing also three arguments. So one is region access key. This is one way access key, and so one is second one is secret key, secret secret underscore key, and so there is a region. So provider expecting so these three, and there is many ways we can connect, and region is mandatory. Okay, so region is mandatory. So these are the providers. This and all which cloud, which provider you want to connect. See here, this is a region, and this is project they given. Already everything so no need to everything provided by so provider provider in Terraform. If we type means so this is the documentation, if we click on anything, so directly we'll get the tag, just copy and paste. See here, providers. So providers are the logical abstraction of your upstream API. So they are responsible for understanding API, application program interface, and interaction with the exposing which cloud you want to see here. So AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and so Kubernetes, Alibaba Cloud, Oracle Cloud. So these are the clouds. Now I am going to connect which cloud? AWS cloud, right? Just click on the AWS cloud, and for this AWS they are providing documentation. So these are the how it will work, and these are see here AWS VPC. For example, I want to connect the top modules for this one. Whatever you want we can download. If you want to click on all providers, just click on this. Now it will display all. Now see here, so click on AWS, and wait, it will come. Just click on anything.
Yeah, it's shared then.
Shared, wait.
Yeah.
Now where is gateway? These are the example already they given. I need provider. Okay, come here. Now this is the access key and secret key. Now first I am trying to see without access key, without secret key, how it will work. Now same thing. So and what is the file name, guys? File name. File name should be
TF.
TF. Now same way I am going to create one file. So where I am in particular so Terraform practice directory, class directory, and just create one file. Notepad. We can give any name. So we can give. So I am giving so test provider. So are dev anything. So testing environment or dev provider. Uh, we can give any name. Provadr provider.tf file. See here, if you open this, this is a notepad only. This is a notepad. So extension should be TF only and notepad. And if you want to provide so any cloud, this is the first we need to add provider. So PROVA provider and provider name. Which provider you want to connect? I want to connect AWS cloud, right? So just give AWS. Okay. Now it is expecting so it is expecting actually three. For first I am just mandatory only I am giving region equal to just I am giving so which region you want to create infrastructure, which region?
AP South.
AP South. Just I am giving AP South, that's it. This is the DevOps user, and so I need to create go to EC2 click on EC2, and I'm in which region? AP South, right? So Mumbai region or anything, whatever you want, that is your wish. I want to go to create AP South 1. AP South 1. Now go to here. So where is my this one? AP AP okay, South, yeah, South 1. That's it. So apply and save. I saved my document. Now so now come to here, try to understand. So right now we don't have anything here. In this only file is there. Now I am going to use one command. So what is the first command here I mentioned? Terraform init command. What is the first command? Terraform init command. So what it will do, guys? Terraform init command. If I use Terraform init command, now see here, initializing provider plugin. I am connecting AWS, right? For AWS related plugin, we need, otherwise it won't connect. So if I use Terraform init command, this is the first command. Okay, initial, we need to run this command, Terraform init command. See here, initializing provider plugin. So finding latest version of ASI Corporation. What is this? Develop. This is the company name. So who developed Terraform? Who developed? This is the
Ashika.
company name. And see here, they are using AWS. Now see here, install ASI Corporation AWS. Which version plugin it is downloaded? Version 5.57.0, and installed this one, so signed by ASI Corporation. So it is downloaded on. See, Terraform has been successfully initiated, and you may now begin working with the Terraform script. Now what it will do? Now if you go to here, cd space dir and cd space there is a plugin dot terraform. So if you go here dir, now see here provider. So see here provider, so we can connect. If you go this provider, now we can see one folder. Which folder? So register dot terraform, go to this is also directory. And so under this directory we can see somewhere, so ASI Corporation company name, and cd space see, under this we can see AWS. Now I am connecting which cloud, which provider? AWS cloud I am connecting. AWS related so
AWS.
information and all it is downloaded. Now we'll see what is happening. cd space AWS and dir, under this we can see one version 5.57. This is the latest version, cd space 5.5. so if it is dir, under this we can see Windows. Yesterday I installed, right? Correct. I installed 64-bit. Under this we can see, so this is the exe file. Now see here, this is the exe file, that information and all we can see. So this and all no need to do anything. If you enter if you enter Terraform init command, so automatically it is downloaded from Google. But we need internet, so no need to do. Which provider we are using, whether you are using GCP related information, that exe file it will download. Suppose if you are using uh, IBM cloud, IBM related so plugin it will install. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here? So this is the first command. Now okay, so now it is downloaded. Now it is downloaded Terraform plugin. So that is the, it is downloaded Terraform plugin. Now I am using, I need to check, I need to validate, right? What is next command? Validate command. What is the purpose of validate command? So if you use validate command, I written one script, right? This is my script, Terraform script. Now this is syntax is correct or not. I want to check it. You understand? So this is the Terraform script. So this is properly you updated or not. So if you want to check, this is the command. So control, what is command? Terraform validate. Now see here. Now success, the configuration is valid. Whatever you added tags. For example, I missed something. I missed one double quotation. Control save. Now check it here. Terraform validate. Now see here it is showing validate. Now fail. Missing new line after argument and depend provider line number 3. There is something is missing. I hope you understand, right? Clear. In Maven also we are using some commands, compile. Got it? How we are using same way Terraform validate. So you implemented Terraform script, and so if we have any missing, that is syntax errors. So it is identifying. It is identifying. Now got it? So even if you miss something, I missed something, I missed equal, just save it. Just save it. So run the same command, Terraform validate command. Now see here, invalid block definition. See here, the block definition must have block content delivered with the starting on the same line. Now we can easily understand what is happening. This in this line there is the error. I hope you got it, right? Anyone any doubt here? What is the validate? What is the init command? Init commands means it will download that related so provider plugin. that related provider plugin. Which provider here I am using? Which provider? What is the provider name here?
AWS.
AWS. I am connecting AWS. Okay, that is done. Now I am going to use one more command, plan. See here, Terraform, Terraform, PLAN, plan. So if you use plan, if you use plan, now see here, no changes. Your infrastructure matches the configuration. Terraform compared your real infrastructure against your. Now it is saying like, so there is no infrastructure. So as of now, there is no changes. And see here, Terraform has compared real. So do you have any resource here added? Any real world resource like VPC,
No.
like subnet, like EC2? No, right? So that is reason it is checking nothing. And finally, I am using see here Terraform apply. Now anyway, it will fail. Apply. Now so Terraform apply. Now it is checking the actual resource will be create. The actual resource will be create. Terraform has compared. No, nothing is here also. See here resources. This is the real world resources. Resources 0 added, nothing added, 0 changed, and 0 destroyed. Added means new resource. Changed means existing resource if you modified changed. Destroy means if you delete anything, here we can see count. Here we can see count. Okay. Now anyway, so this and all nothing. Now there is a one more important tag, resource. So this is the resource tag. So if you go here, so if you go Terraform provider, right? There is resource in Terraform. This is very very important. So resource is the very very important. See, resource are the most important element in the Terraform language. This is very very important. So this is the black. Now this is the Terraform provider is the one black. So you see here provider name, that is nothing but right, that is provider name, and this is the starts with ends with. Here we need to pass something. Now there is one more block, resource, or this is the resource, and resource name, and this is your local name, and starts and close. This is the syntax. So under this resource, which resource you want to create? So this is very very, if you understand this one, nothing. See here, resource block, document and resource. LMC explain in more details how it will work. Now if you click on anything, see each resource block describes one or more infrastructure objects such as VPC and EC2, whatever you want. So under this resource block, whatever you want, we can add it. Whatever you want, we can add it. Now see here, this is the resource and resource name. This is the resource and this is the resource name, and this is your local name. We can give any name, and these are the, we can add things. See here in this example, AMI and instance are the special arguments. So see here, they added two arguments. They added two arguments. See here, now I am going to add my resource name. Which resource you want to create? I hope everyone know how to create. So VPC in cloud. I think, I don't know whether it is working or not. Check it. VPC. Now
No,
click
sir.
on VPC. Click on the VPC. So if you click on VPC, now click on your VPC. Now see here error, you are not authorized to perform this operation. Srinath garu, we don't have full access, admin access. Maybe login access undi, EC2 access ఉందా, జస్ట్ అదే చెక్ చేద్దాం ఉండు, దాన్ని రన్ చేద్దాం.
మీకు రూట్ అకౌంటే పంపిస్తాను. ఒకసారి
ఓకే
దాంట్లో
ఓకే.
చేయండి.
సో లెట్ మీ ట్రై EC2 access, whether I have access or not. EC2 instance, and click on launch instance, whether I am able to create. We can use this one also, and example, and create in laptop sets. No, this is also not valid, so it won't work. This user, click on this, sign out. Now give me root account, AWS. Oh, get it, guys. Now this is a resource. Resource is the one black. Here provider also one black. So here I added two blacks. Now I need to create one VPC. So if you want to create VPC, so this is very simple only. Go to browser, just type AWS just use VPC Terraform. If you type means this is the documentation. See here, Terraform people, Terraform registry, and this is the official document. Whatever you want, you can go through this. See here. So this is the basic usage, resource name, and this is your so local name. We can give any name. We can give any name. Now see here. Here I given resource name. What is the resource name? AWS underscore VPC. And here we can give any VPC. So for example, here I am giving, and so devars underscore VPC. We can give any name. We can give any name. So if you want to create VPC, so what are the needed, guys? We are using black, right? Already you know practically how it will work. CIDR underscore black. uh, AWS people support what range? So we need, this is a mandatory. We need to give IP range, right? Which IP range? For example, 10.0. I'm giving some IP. So AWS people support from where? 16 or 24 or 8?
16.
16. VPC, it will support AWS. So VPC only 16. Okay, 2 bytes only. And this is the range, right? We need to mention. First, if you see manually, send chesara. Okay.
చేశాను.
Okay. Now go to here.
ఓన్లీ యూజర్ మాత్రమే క్రియేట్ చేసినాను. ఇప్పుడు రోల్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూడండి, మొత్తం
This
అన్ని
is the
పెట్టాను.
username.
అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్ యాక్సెస్.
Okay. Now go to here. Click on login. Click on login. Click on login. Click on root user account. Click on root user account. Just use your
మళ్ళీ
email
కోడ్
ID.
అడుగుతుందండి.
Okay. Login and password. So go to here. What is this? Okay. Done. Okay. Logged in and click on so Mumbai region. Okay, so you know, right, how to manually create VPC, how to create manually VPC. So if you want to create manual VPC, just click on VPC, click on VPC, click on here, click on here, and click on your VPC. Now see here, so this is the default VPC, this is the default VPC. If you want to create VPC, create VPC. Now it is asking, right, VPC or one. Okay, VPC name, and this is the CIDR block. Now got it. We are entering here, and we are click on the create VPC, right? I hope you got it, right? Anyone any doubt here? Manually. So this is the VPC name. So this is the VPC name. For example, test VPC. And what is the CIDR block? So 10 dot, so 10 dot 0 dot 0 slash 16 I am giving, and if we click on VPC means it will create VPC. So what are the I am passing? This is a mandatory VPC name is what this is CIDR is mandatory, and so now this is the tag name, and so if you ask and create name, if we click on means it will create, that's it. Now same thing I am going to do with the Terraform. So now see here, resource, anything whatever you want to create, so everything we can create under the resource only. Resource name, which resource you want to create, instance, VPC or subnet or internet gateway, anything. I am going to create VPC, AWS underscore VPC, and here we can give any name. Now what is the mandatory, guys? CIC header. Now got it? అర్థమవుతుందా? CIDR underscore black. So now I'm giving, so what is the IP range we want to give? 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 slash 16 I'm giving. Whatever IP you want, you can give it, that's it. Apart from this, no need to do anything. Now clear? So this is the resource name, AWS underscore VPC. We can give any name. Now file, save. Now go to here. Now use this command. First we need to validate. How to validate? Terraform validate. Now if you have any errors, and it will show. Next, Terraform plan. Now you can see plan. Plan means, right? So before constructing anything, first we have some plan, right? Now in the plan, I can see only. Now see here. Now we are getting one error message. See here, Terraform encountered error generating this plan because retrieving AWS account details, validating the provider credentials. We don't have proper credentials. We don't have proper credentials. I don't have credentials, right? So earlier I am using different account, and so that credential is not working. I am going to update manually. Now I have, right? So here you need to add so two arguments. What is this first one? Access underscore key, and so double quotation. Next, how I am connecting?
secret key.
Secret key. Srinagar, ఈ కూడా కావాలి నాకు secret key.
ఏదండి?
Root user access key secret key. Root
మీరే క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు.
రూట్ యూజర్ డీటెయిల్సే ఇచ్చాను చూడండి మీకు.
user. సరే నేను ఒక
మీరు
యూజర్
ఇప్పుడు లాగిన్ అయ్యింది రూట్ యూజర్తోనే.
ఓకే, మీకుంటే ఇవ్వండి, లేదా ఇంకొక యూజర్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఓకే
ఓకే, చేయండి. నేను చేసి ఇప్పుడు అడ్మిన్ యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చాను.
Now I'm going to create one new user. Okay, now now see here, I'm going to create one new user. I hope everyone know, right? Click on users, and already DevOps user, create new user, and create new user. Just I'm using a username and dev user. Just I'm giving so dev user, and select this one, and select this one, and I'm using a custom password. Okay, now so if you want to log in, I don't want to log in, so that's it. Next permissions. Now see here, add group to permission, copy, attach policies directly. Okay, now select full permission. What is the permission?
సెకండ్
Administrator.
అడ్మిన్.
Just I'm giving administrator access, that's it. And apart from this, I don't want. And administrator create user, and so now see here, there is one option, access key and secret key. Just download CVS file, that's it. Now dev user, click on this, and so this is my password, that is done. And one more I need to. Okay, so return to users list. Now click on dev user and go to security credentials, and so here, where is this security credentials, and secret key access key,
క్రియేట్
right? Create, that's it. And select command line interface, and so understand, click on next. Now use description tag name, dev user. Just I'm giving name, and so create access key and secret key, and I need this one. Okay, so I need to keep download this one, and just that's it. Okay, so my access key and secret key ready. So now go to here, where is this? I hope everyone know how to this and I'll do. Now access key and secret key. So this is my access key. This is my access key. And go to here, just use access key. And what is this secret key? This is the one way. Different ways we can do it. Later we'll see a different way also. Where is this? This is our secret key. Or directly we can configure profile also. Okay, first let me check it. Now see here, save. Now I enter a username, or directly we can configure here itself. How to configure AWS? If you use means it will asking same thing, we can configure. Later we'll see. Directly now I am using access key and secret key. Now try the same command. So Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Now we use, now earlier see here, Now plan is ready. See here, my plan is ready. See Terraform user selector provider, and see here what is the CAC added block. We can see only whichever resource we added, that only we can see it. See here, this is the 10.0.0.16, and so enable DNS name support true, and apart from this I don't see. Plan one to add. One to add means, so one plan we added. Which plan I added? VPC. VPC going to add. 0 to change. 0 to destroy. Now I am in which user? So root user. First log out this user. Log into that user only. VPC we can see. Now see here. Now I am running this one. Terraform. Final command. Terraform apply. Apply means now actual resource going to create. Now as of now it is created or not? Actual resource created or not? Before that, anyone guess it at least? Just plan only I used. Actual resource VPC na create అయింటుందా ఉండదా? That is doubt. Now I given only credentials, right? So this is the, what is my account? This is my account name, and where is this? This is my account, and next, what is my, so this is the dev user. Username is, and password. Just sign in. Now see here, I given plan, right? Plan is nothing but it won't create any actual resource. Just we are seeing plan. This is my plan. That's it. It is showing this and all going to create. Now before that, check it whether really it is created or not. See here, VPC. If you click on VPC, click on VPC. Do you have your VPC name? What is my VPC name I given here? DevApps underscore VPC. Can you see this VPC name, guys, here? Yes or no? Now VPC name unda? No, right? No, right? So plan means it won't create a actual resource. Plan is nothing but this and all we are going to create. It will give some information. See here, resource. This is your so name, and so see remaining all are known after apply, known after apply, known after, right? But these two are means already we given some IP. Now only this and all it is going to create. Now I am giving Terraform apply. So if we give Terraform apply, if we give Terraform apply, now actual resource going to create in our cloud. Now also it will going to create one file also. Now it is asking. So plan one to add. Now see here. So after apply, one to add. Do you want to perform these actions? Yes, sir. Do you want to create? Yes, sir. If no means it won't create. If no means it won't create. Yes, I want to create. I want to perform. Yes, sir. Accept the approve. Now see here, creating. See here, AWS underscore VPC DevOps creating, and VPC creation completion after 2 seconds. So this is your VPC ID. See here, EA9. EA9. See, one resource added and 0 changed, 0 destroyed. Now go to here, check it. Really it is created or not. See, refresh it. Now see here, it is created or not. This is your VPC. Created or not? అర్థమైందా? What is my IP? 10.0.0.16. This is the default VPC. This is my VPC. Now check it here also. See here. So 09 EB. If you have any doubt, check it. 09 EB, and this is the your VPC. Now I don't have any tag. So you have doubt, sir, while creating I want to add tag name also. I need to add tag name also. So generally if we create means we are giving tag name, we are using IP address and all, right? So if you want to add like this also, we can do it. Now I'm going to add that one. Now if you want to add tag, there is a one more tags also is there, tags. So this is the tags, under tags, and we are going to add your tag name. Which tag you want to give? So here we need to give name equal to, I am giving name equal to, I am giving name equal to, so my tag name is so DevOps underscore VPC. Same. I am giving my tag name, same name. Whatever name, that is your wish, guys. Whatever you want, we can give. There is no restriction. Or this is the my VPC, my underscore VPC. That's it. This is my tag name. This is my tag name. Now, so there is, I added tag also. Now, file, save. Now I'm going to use same command. See here, Terraform validate. Now if we have any syntax error, I'll check it. Okay, everything correct. Now I'm using Terraform plan. Now see here. Now earlier we can see only VPC, right? Now we can see tag also. Now we can see tag also. Now we can see tag also. Now see here. This is the tag name. See here. AWS resource AWS underscore VPC, and this is the VPC ID, and I added plus symbol. Plus means what is the meaning, guys? Plus
Added.
Newly
added,
added.
newly
Add.
added. So now what is the greatness of Terraform is? Terraform is so Terraform is idempotent. Idempotent means already if it is available, it won't do anything. It won't recreate. So already VPC is existing, right? So already VPC is existing. So it won't touch anything. See here, it won't touch anything. See, it won't touch anything. Existing and all, it won't recreate it. Plus means added. Now see here, earlier we can see one to add, right? If one to change, this is the actual resource or this is the tag name. అంటే VPC ఆల్రెడీ క్రియేట్ అయిపోయింది అది. ఆ VPCకి నేను ఏం అప్డేట్ చేశాను? ఓన్లీ ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ అప్డేట్ చేశాను. Now got it. This is not a actual resource. See here, 0 to add, 1 to change, and 0 to destroy. Now I updated something. This plus means updated. Now run it. Now see here, and so last command, terraform apply. Now it is going to update. This is the plan only. Now actual see refreshed. See here, what is done? Terraform. Where is apply? Apply means see here refreshed state ID, and see here, and Terraform will perform following actions plus. So 14 are unchanged and 1 to change. I want to do yes. I want to do update. Now see here, modifying. See, modification completed after 1 second. So 1 changed. Now go to here. Now just refresh it. Now create updated or not? Now it is creating. So VPC or only just it is updated name. Only it is updated name only. Clear? So whenever if you want to add any tag, this is the tag. This is the tag. See here, tags. We can add more also. If you want to tags means this is singular or plural. Tags itself we can understand. Tags singular or plural. Plural, right? Here I am using for example dev environment. Okay, or development. If you want to, we can add it. Now see here, file, save. Now if you go here, if click on your VPC, and if you go to tags, so right now I can see only one name equal to my VPC. This is my tag name. If you want to, we can add more also. Now see, right, manage tags. If we click on add tags, like this we can add, right? Same way. So I am adding one more. Remove this one, cancel, and I am using via script only. See, env environment equal to development. I want to add one more tag. See here, file, save, remaining story same only. See, Terraform. Directly if you want to, we can give validate or plan or apply. So now I am using directly apply. Already you know, right, existing plan and all. Just I am using apply. Before plan also, if you want to, you can apply. What is happening now? See here, refresh state, and S is I want to do. Now see here env. Now see here, this is add till symbol, add plus development one unchanged element hidden. This is the unchanged one, unchanged. This is not changed, only one is unchanged, and this is the S. Now see here, now we can see tag also. Where is this? Go to your VPCs and go to your VPCs, just add it. Now refresh it, just it. Once this is done, refresh it. Now see here, one changed, completed. Go to here. Now click on your VPC and go to tags. Now you can see two tags. Now got it. Same way, manually how we are doing means same thing manually. For example, I am removing this tag. Okay, I saved. Now I am running same script. What is happening? Now see here, Terraform. I removed manually. I am running via script level. Terraform plan. Now observe here. Manually, right? So if you do how to manually, so that and all we can do. One is changed. It is verifying. It is verifying, right? Already. So now what I did? See here. Now again I am running same apply only. You need to see difference, right? Terraform apply. Okay. Yes. If you understand, this is very simple only, nothing. Manually, if you know what are the steps we are performing, same thing I am going to do here. Now it is created, one changed. If I run same command, what is happening? If I run same command, Terraform apply or plan anything, did I modify anything my script? నేను modify చేశానా? Second time I am running. So now already two tags available. So already I run, right? Now two tags available, no problem. Now I am running same script. Now see plan means, now any zero add, zero change or anything count will come, or how it will work? New resource ఏదైనా add చేసానా? No, right? Any modification? No, right? Any destroyed? No. Got it? అర్థమవుతుందా? సో ఆల్రెడీ నేను అప్లై చేశాను, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వర్కింగ్ ఫైన్. ఐ డింట్ చేంజ్ ఎనీథింగ్ హియర్. I didn't change anything here. If I run same time, see here, there is no changes. If you modified here means it will show. Even if you modified manually also, it will come. See here, I am going to delete. I am going to delete my VPC manually. See here, I am selecting this one. Click on action and delete VPC. That's it. I deleted manually. Now what it will do, Terraform? Now I am running my script. Now see, observe here. Now I am running Terraform plan. So if I run Terraform plan means, first it is checking my actual resources already in AWS. So we written some script, right? So now it is checking. See here, one to add. So what is that one to add? So this one. Now see here, one to add. Now it is checking. So this script will check, connect with the account, and it is checking whether this VPC is available or not. Same name. Is it available or not? ఉందా లేదా AWS లో?
Yes, miss.
ఉందా? Just now I deleted, right? Real. This is the actual resource, right? Now it is checking. This is my script only. This is my script. Now before run, so it is checking whether that tag is available here. No, right?
No. Yeah.
నో. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి, వన్ టు యాడ్ అని వచ్చింది. చూడండి ఇక్కడ వన్ టు యాడ్ అంటే ఇదేం చేసింది, టెరాఫామ్ ఇట్ విల్ కనెక్ట్ టు యువర్ AWS ప్రొవైడర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ చెకింగ్ వెదర్ దిస్ VPC నేమ్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ క్రియేటెడ్, నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ కౌంట్ వన్ టు యాడ్. నౌ ఎనీవే ఐఎమ్ రన్నింగ్ దిస్ టైమ్, రైట్? అప్లై. ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రియేట్. ఐ హోప్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ నో. ఇప్పుడు లేదు కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుంది, క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ విల్ క్రియేట్ మై VPC. నౌ సీ హియర్, ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రియేట్ మై VPC. ఇప్పుడు VPC ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి, క్రియేటెడ్. నౌ సీ హియర్, వన్ టు యాడెడ్, క్రియేటెడ్. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు రిఫ్రెష్ ఇట్, my VPC created. నేను మళ్ళీ నేనేం చేస్తాను అంటే సేమ్ కమాండ్ అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. టెరాఫామ్ ప్లాన్. ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ గెస్ చేయండి ఏడేమొస్తుంది మనకి. 1 to యాడ్ వస్తుందా? ఇక్కడ ముందు మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది 1 to యాడ్
0 to
0.
add.
That we need to understand. If I use this command, now Terraform will check actual resource whether that resource available or not. If already available, it won't create, it won't touch. See, refresh state. See here. So 0, no changes. What is this meaning? Every time ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇది చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది. This particular account లో కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి this is my account. So this account it will connect and it will check whether this VPC created or not. Already it is available, it won't do anything. If it is not available only, it will do something. I hope you got it right. Clear?
Yes.
Now
Yeah.
suppose I want to remove this what is this VPC? What is the command? Last command, right? You know, right? Terraform destroy. But in the real time we
Destroy.
never ever use this one. Okay, for practice purpose we can use. I want to delete my infrastructure. How to delete? So this is the command terraform destroy. DS, you know, right? Destroy means remove the actual resources. Whatever resource you created in the script, it won't delete apart from this. ఇప్పుడు ఏం డిలీట్ చేస్తుంది? ఈ VPCని మాత్రమే delete చేస్తుంది. My script only I have one thing, right? That's it. Now see here. So now we can see here. See, VPC destroyed, and this is the null, and this is the null. See, everything null added extra, and this is also, see here, named and everything done, and one to destroy. Now we can see count. One to destroy. Do you really want to destroy all the resources? If you want, yes. If you don't want, no. Now I want to remove, yes. Earlier I deleted manually. Now I am going to destroy with the help of, see, one destroyed. This is the VPC destroyed. Now go to here. Now just refresh it. See here, removed or not? Removed. So for example I have it 100, so I have it 10 VPCs. If you want to delete 10 VPCs manually, how we are following, guys? ఇక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి 10 అని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని delete కొట్టాలి కదా. But with the help of Terraform script, only Terraform destroy, that's it. Whatever resource we added in our script, everything it will delete automatically, single shot. That's it. So I hope you got some idea, right? So what we will do with the help of Terraform. So in AWS resources, whatever you know manually how to create all, but same thing I am going to implement so via Terraform as a infrastructure, as a code tool. If you want to create infrastructure, so only only AWS, or we can connect any cloud, any provider. What is the greatness of Terraform? The greatness of Terraform means it will connect any cloud. So here in this script I use AWS, right? Now my script is connecting my AWS only. Suppose if you use GCP, it will connect GCP. Suppose if I use IBM, it will connect IBM cloud. But we need to give that credentials. Here I added my AWS credentials, right? Same like we need to give that credential also. We need to give that credentials. Now got it? Anyone, any doubt as of now? I hope you got some idea, right? How to create just how to create. So everything, this is the documentation available. Just follow this documentation. So try to understand. So how, if you want to any how to debug, how to search the resource tags and all, everything already available here. Just follow this official document. If you need anything, everything they are provided clearly. AWS, that is Terraform people. So whatever you want, just go through this website. That's it. Okay. So even so, okay. So that's it from my side today.